Okay, so one of the main reasons I wanted Project Glass was to see how it worked on bikes. I'm an avid cyclist and really see some potential for this, using it for directions and recording rides and trips that I do. So, this is my first ride with Google Glass. Initial response, it looks great. I like how I can see the directions in the screen. It really does not interfere with my view at all. The voice-activated commands seem to be working, even with the whistle of the wind going by. I'll be interested to see how it's recording my voice, how you can hear it. Okay, one of the other things I thought was going to be a problem was going to be the tilting of your head. Project Glass can activate when you tilt your head. That's one of the things that will activate it and turn it on. And when you're riding a bike, you're actually leaned over a little bit, so I wasn't quite sure how that was going to work. And I'm pretty happy to say that it can pick that up just fine. So even while I'm slightly bent over, I don't have to look to the sky to get it to turn on. Pretty nice. So it's pretty neat. I had Google Glass, I asked it for directions, and I asked it not by giving it an address. I gave it a company name and a town, and it found the location for me, and now it is actually multitasking. It is telling me directions in my ear while recording this video, which is pretty neat. I was wondering if it was going to be able to do multitasking like that, and it seems like it can. And something I noticed last night was that the device actually can tend to heat up if you're recording long videos or having it interact, give directions, that kind of thing. The nice thing is, while you're on the bike, you don't even notice that. Good morning. The air passing by is enough to keep it cool against your head. I mean, even when it was hot, it's not like it was burning. It was just warm. Actually, I'll be interested to see if the audio from the directions is picked up in this video while it's recording. Gotta say, I'm actually kind of excited to get home and see what this video quality is. I just rode through an area that was light to dark to light, just to see how the camera would handle the different white balancing and contrast. And here on the screen, it looked wonderful. It looked like it did it pretty seamlessly. It's a little early today. I would have liked to been able to call somebody. The volume on the directions was fine. That has been another concern of mine, is the volume. When I was in New York City, it was just way too loud to hear anything, and there's no way to adjust the volume to turn it up or turn it down. So that worried me slightly, but listening to directions here on the bike with the wind whistling by, it was fine.